Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with another video in our ways to make money selling in 2024. By now, you have gotten a drift. You understand what is going on. I'm going to say this at least maybe one more time that there's a lot of different print on demand companies, and I'll only mention the ones I have personally used and purchase from so that all of my recommendations are authentic in these videos. These videos are also for people who have some basic knowledge of how print on demand and AI works. Also, if you use Canva, that is great knowledge to have as well while going through these quick videos. I am not teaching anything. This is not a tutorial. I'm just giving you ideas of ways that you can make money with print on demand in 2024, or you can start now. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. As always, I'm sharing my print on demand framework. We go from idea, research, platform, products, and design. This is basically the steps I use when developing a new idea or when I'm thinking about creating something for print on demand. So the idea for today is to offer a range of fashion accessories like custom printed scarves, hats, and jewelry, etc. That was one of the ideas that ChatGPT gave me, basically create fashion accessories. With this one in my research, I did do a quick Google search on the top fashion accessories for 2024, and it basically gave me a list that Vogue had, a list of 145 must-have accessories. And one that stood out to me was the Earl. I'm super excited to show you guys what I found and what design I decided to do because this was really nostalgic for me. So the platform that we're going to use today is KinCustom. I've used KinCustom for a lot of actual wear items. I've gotten socks, I've gotten leggings, sports bra, and I still have those items till today. So I am excited to get back and introduce this or put this back on your radar. So we're going to use KinCustom today. And the product that we're developing is a wristlet purse. What really drawn me to this purse was the shape of it. It is definitely giving early 1999s, 1998, when we had something that was small, unique shape. And I think the black scrap with the hook is definitely given. My grandma wore this at church, and she had her peppermints in her bag. I decided to use Canva AI for my design, and I basically typed in, I wanted a zebra print. I love animal print. So I basically said, give me a bold, repeated pattern zebra print. And that's pretty much what I came up with. And you can see what I typed in here for the Canva AI to give me an image. I took my image and then I put it on the wristlet purse. And here is the mock-up that I got for this wristlet purse. I think it is really cute. It's still nostalgic, but at the same time, very modern and something bold that you can still use till this day. I feel that animal prints are never going to go out of style. This can also be a statement piece for someone or create a line of statement pieces. The possibilities are always endless. I'm literally giving you base model ideas that you can turn into something grand. And ideas is what I do. I can develop something out of nothing. But I just want to give you that that little starter idea that makes your mind say, I wonder what else I can do. And I understand that not everyone has that gift, but if you really want to do something and put your mind to it, I think you can succeed at anything, at at any level with any idea. You just have to have the motivation behind you. I did talk a little bit more doing this one, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm going to be here all month long showing these videos of ways to make money selling in 2024. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.